Video cut off, so having to do part 2. I just ground the salt. Hopefully the last video saved. I don't have an assistant. Hold it, man. I'm having facing toward it. I'm putting these pans in the superheated oven. And like I said, I'm gonna leave them uncovered. And cut the oven back down to let's say 300. And let it stay in there for about, the time is now 3:50. So by 5:50, we'll be taking this out. Let's go back to this back pot. We're gonna normally, sometimes I use a whisk to kind of get those different soups blended in. Of course, it's still condensed soup, so once it starts getting hot, it's gonna melt down, but we still wanna integrate those different soups. We have one condensed cream of mushroom. No, I'm sorry, one condensed cream of chicken, 2 cans cream of mushroom condensed, about a half cup to a quarter cup of water to kind of loosen it up, and 3/4 of a stick of butter. You don't want it too oily, but as it cooks down, and we say might say this looks like a lot of gravy, but once it boils and we pour it over the chicken, then it's really not gonna be a lot, because you want it to be enough to leave the pour over you. Either if you make, I prefer rice, but most people like mashed potatoes. Either way, it can go either way. The key is your Scott barbecue sauce. That's what's gonna give it the kick. Hence the name Firehouse chicken. Some people that don't like a lot of spice, just cut that in half, or maybe you could even use Texas Pete. But I prefer the slight vinegar base of the Scott's barbecue, and it blends so well with the soup. As you see, it's changing color. It's got like almost a golden complexion with the butter in it. It's gonna help aid in the flavor. And we have it on 6 now. We're gonna cut it down to about 3. Let it simmer until it starts to light boil at probably 10 more minutes. And that's what we have. Part 3 will be the final product.